हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे लाइफ इन कॉलेज हॉस्टल इंग्लिश ऐसे के बारे में। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। अ कॉलेज इज अ ड्रीम लैंड ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट्स academic career. It is a fascinating panorama of enjoyment, freedom and friendship. Sweet memories and pleasures of college life are simply amazing. The first and the last day, group of friends, unexpected holidays, functions of curricular and extracurricular activities and adventures at hostels make college life the most memorable and unforgettable part of life. In short, it is true that the joys and freedom that seem illusion in school become reality in college. Hostel life is the main attraction of college life. In fact, it is hostel life that is the true picture of fun and freedom. Hostel life is so fascinating that some students, in spite of having homes in the same city, prefer to live in hostels. Hostel life offers many attractions. The main charm is that of liberty. There is no parental observation and restriction. They do as and what they wish to do. They may study at night and sleep in the day. They may or may not attend classes. They may go to cinema whenever they like. So they are their own masters. Hostel life plays an important role in developing the personality of a student. Students who live in hostels are confident, self-dependent and active. Hostel life helps them to develop sense of responsibility. Freedom also helps them to grow in a better way. There are also some drawbacks of hostel life. Freedom is misused and makes hell of heaven. Some boys adopt bad habits like smoking, gambling and drinking. Violence also becomes a part of their personality. They develop the habit of fraud and lie. They demand more money from their parents on false pretexts. Fashions become a part of their daily life. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।